Hello students, in this video we will see how to solve simultaneous equations by graphical method. Here these two equations are given to us. First, prepare this type of tables for each equations. We have to find at least 3 solutions for each equation. Label the first row of first column as x, second row as y and last rows as x, y. We have to consider any value of x and then value of y is obtained by calculation. I consider here value of x is equal to 0. That is when x equal to 0. You can consider any value of x. It may be positive value, negative value or 0. To get the value of y, put this value of x in given equation. Therefore, equation become as 0 because x is equal to 0. Therefore, I write 0 at the place of x plus as it is y is as it is equal to 0. Therefore, value of y is equal to 0. That is x is 0 and y is 0. Our first solution is 0 and 0. Now I consider value of x is equal to minus 1. As I told you that you can take any value of x which is convenient for you. Therefore, I put minus 1 at the place of x. Therefore, equation become minus 1 plus y equal to 0. Now transpose minus 1 to right side. Therefore, y equal to minus 1 become plus 1. That is value of y is equal to 1. Put the value of x and y in third column. That is x is minus 1 and y is 1. Solution is minus 1 and 1. Now I consider value of x is equal to 2. So the equation become as 2 plus y equal to 0. Again 2 is transposed right side, therefore y is equal to plus 2 can be written as minus 2. Value of y is minus 2. Now write both these values in last column. That is value of x is 2 and value of y is minus 2. Solution is 2 and minus 2. Here I have prepared table for the given equation. Here also we have to find the 3 solutions for the given equation. We have to consider any value of x which is convenient for us and we have to obtain value of y by calculation. So I take value of x equal to 1 when x equal to 1. Put this value of x in given equation. Therefore, equation become 2 into x. Put 1 at the place of x. Minus y equal to 9. 2 ones are 2. Minus y as it is equal to 9. Now transpose minus y to right side. Minus y become plus y and 9 to left side. Therefore, 9 can be written as minus 9. Therefore, equation become 2 minus 9 equal to plus y. 2 minus 9 gives us minus 7 equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to minus 7. Value of y is minus 7. Write these values of x and y in second column. Value of x is 1 and value of y is minus 7. Our first solution is 1 and minus 7. Now I take value of x is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. Put 0 at the place of x. Therefore equation becomes 2 into 0 minus y equal to 9. 2 0 0 minus y equal to 9. Therefore minus y equal to 9. Multiplying both sides by minus 1, therefore y is equal to minus 9. Write the values of x and y in third column. Value of x is 0, value of y is minus 9. Second solution is 0 and minus 9. Now I take the value of x is equal to 2 when x is equal to 2. Put 2 at the place of x. Therefore equation becomes 2 into 2 minus y equal to 9. 2 to the 4 minus y equal to 9. Transpose minus y to right side and 9 to left side. Therefore 9 can be written as minus 9 equal to minus y can be written as plus y. 4 minus 9 gives us minus 5 equal to y. Therefore y is equal to minus 5. Value of y is minus 5. Write the value of x and y in third column. First we plot the point for the first equation. Now draw the graph of both the equation on the same graph paper. Draw x-axis and y-axis. Label the x-axis as x dash. Label the y-axis as y dash. And don't forget to write the scale on right corner, scale on both the axes, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Now we plot the points of the first equation. Our first point is 0, 0. Point 0, 0 will be on the origin, that is point 0, 0. Our second point is minus 1, 1. Here always remember that the first value is the coordinate of x and second value is coordinate of y. So minus 1 is a coordinate of x and 1 is a coordinate of y. So here we get point minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1. Here is a point. Our second point is 2 minus 2. Coordinate of x is 2 and coordinate y is minus 2. So 2 minus 2. The coordinate of x is 2 and coordinate of y is minus 2. So here we get point 2 and minus 2. First value denote the coordinate of x and second value denote the coordinate of y. So here we get 3 points. Now join these 3 points, we will get a straight line, that is a graph of first equation. And write the equation of that line. Equation is x plus y equal to 0. Now we will draw the graph for the second equation. Our second equation is 2x minus y equal to 9. First point is 1 minus 7. 1 is the coordinate of x minus 7 is the coordinate of y. 1 minus 7. So here 1 is a coordinate of x and minus 7 is a coordinate of y. So here we get point. 1 minus 7. Second point. And second point of second equation is 0 minus 9. 0 is the coordinate of x, minus 9 is coordinate of y. So here coordinate of x is 0, therefore this point lies on y axis. Therefore here is a y axis and here is a minus 9. Therefore this point will lies here. 0 minus 9. Third point is 2 minus 5. Here is 2 and minus 5. Here is a minus 5. Therefore we get point here. 2 minus 5. Now join these 3 points. And write the equation of this line. Here write the equation of required line. Now both these two lines intersect at point 3 and minus 3. That is the point of intersection. Here is the x coordinate and here is a y coordinate. Therefore 3 and minus 3 is the solution of given equation. 3 and minus 3 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Therefore I write here, therefore solution of given simultaneous equations is 3 and minus 3. Always remember the point of intersection is the solution of given equation.